हमारे शॉर्ट हैंड लाइव प्रयागराज चैनल पर एक बार पुनः आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। डिक्टेशन आपको मैं यहाँ प्रोवाइड करूँगा 100 से 110 वर्ड के बीच में स्पीड रहेगी डिक्टेशन की। डिक्टेशन लिखने से पहले डिक्टेशन को लाइक जरूर कर लीजिएगा, जिससे हमारा मोटिवेशन हो, जिससे अन्य डिक्टेशन भी मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करूँ उस पेज पे। ओके, चाहे आपका DSSB का एग्ज़ाम हो या पटना हाईकोर्ट एग्ज़ाम हो, यह डिक्टेशन आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल है। लिखिएगा ज़रूर। और लिखने से वैसे कोई फ़ायदा है नहीं, लिख के जब तक आप टाइप नहीं करेंगे, जब तक आप मैटर को पढ़ेंगे नहीं। और ये प्रक्रिया रेगुलर तभी होता है जब आप कोई क्लास ज्वाइन करते हैं। तो यहाँ सारी सूचनाएं लिखी हैं, आप प्रयास करिए अति शीघ्र क्लास ज्वाइन करें। स्टेकन डिक्टेशन आपको तमाम मिलते रहते हैं हमारे क्लास में। ओके, नाउ बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। द petitioner by way of this writ petition assails the order dated 16/12/2016 passed by the respondents, whereby he has been dismissed from service on the basis of a charge sheet issued to the petitioner, whereby it was alleged that she had been found taking bribe and was arrested. However, the procedure laid down under Rules 17 of the CCA rules was not followed, and the prosecution did not present its case nor produced any evidence during the course of inquiry, and without there being any document proved in the inquiry proceedings, the petitioner was held guilty of having committed the delinquency. It is submitted that although the regional deputy director Purnia Circle was appointed as the officer on behalf of the state to present the case, he did not present himself. Learned counsel submits that the inquiry officer submitted his report, and a copy thereto was made available to the petitioner, but her representation against the inquiry report was not considered, and she has been punished with a major penalty of dismissal from service. In the criminal case, trial is pending. Learned counsel submits that the provisions of the rules of 2005 are mandatory and required to be followed. He relies upon the judgment passed by the division bench in LPA number 63 of 2017, dated 22/8/2017, State of Bihar versus Anil Kumar, wherein a similar inquiry where no evidence was recorded was held to be vitiated. In this case, on the previous hearing, this court found that it can be essential to call the concerned officer and the deputy director education is present. It is informed that as per the circulars issued relating to the vigilance inquiry, now the commissioner departmental inquiry would conduct inquiry in such cases as per circular dated 28/8/2015. I have considered the submissions. A look at the inquiry report reflects that the inquiry officer has simply mentioned the contentions and explanation given by the delinquent, and thereafter he has only referred to the FIR registered on 8/9/2014 to prove the charges against the petitioner, whose evidence has been recorded, nor any opportunity of cross-examination. Even the officer who conducted the raid has not been examined. This court is satisfied that the provisions of Rule 17 of the CCA Rules 2005 has been given complete go by. The inquiry is thus found to be wholly vitiated, and therefore the consequent order dated 16/12/2016 under vacate Annexure 17 cannot be sustained in law. The charges labeled against the delinquent officer must be found to have been proved. The inquiry officer has a duty to arrive at a finding upon taking into consideration the materials brought on record by the parties. The purported evidence collected during investigation by the investigating officer against all the accused by itself could not be treated to be evidence in the disciplinary proceeding. No witness was examined to prove the said documents. The management witnesses merely tendered the documents and did not prove the contents thereof. Reliance inter alia was placed by the inquiry officer on the FIR, which could not have been treated as evidence. Furthermore, the order of the disciplinary authority, as also the appellate authority, are not supported by any reason, as the orders passed by them have served civil consequences. Appropriate reasons should have been assigned. फुल स्टॉप. ओके, तो ये देखिए आपका ये 548 वर्ड्स का डिक्टेशन था, लगभग 550. लिखिएगा, टाइप करिएगा और प्रयास करिए क्लास ज्वाइन करने के लिए. बेनिफिट आपको तभी मिलने वाला है शॉर्ट हैंड का. और टेलीग्राम लिंक शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयास से ज़रूर जुड़ जाएं आप सब. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.